Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter, and I got this such a cute set for Christmas. It is a little diamond art kit with Stitch on it, which any of you that know me know that I am absolutely in love with Stitch. So I did say I was going to do one diamond art, crystal art set a month. So I figured this would be a good one to start off with. Oh my goodness, isn't he adorable? And he's one that can sit up on my desk, so I am super excited. I'm probably going to need to cut into this. It was very hard not to open him up and start playing with him before, but I just didn't have time with doing the Advent and everything else this month, so he has been sitting here looking very, very pretty on my desk. Thank you for your purchase, tips and tricks. Oh, we got some step-by-step instructions in here. That is really cool. I love it. I don't think I've ever purchased one of the Diamond Art kit clubs before. I think my mom has, but I haven't, so this will be my first one. Oh my god, he's so cute. So adorable. So this, we've got our gems, and then we get the tools. Let's see what comes in our toolkit. Oh, some little bags to store. Some wax. Oh, this is a nice little container. Beautiful. Oh, and an adapter. More wax. Oh, I wonder what this is then. Oh, it's sparkle. Huh, okay. I wonder if this fits in my tray here too. Nope, a little too big. I was like, that'd be cool to be able to swap out with that. That's very nice. And then you get, ooh, a really nice pen. Wow, that is really cool. And you add the wax in. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to figure this all out. But very, very nice. It looks like it's a multiple tip here. And then another multiple tip in here. Wow. Okay, well, I will play with those tips later. I do have an electric machine that I use when I'm doing my diamond art, so I think I'm going to stick with that for now. But, okay, so twist and pick applicator with wax and multi-placers, wax refill, stackable tray with lids, and reusable baggies. Very cool. That is a nice little kit that comes with it, which I can gift to another friend. I'm going to place that off to the side, and then I'm going to start filling up my trays here. So, have you ever done diamond art before or crystal art? And what is your favorite project you have done? It looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trays. Perfect. I bought a diamond art set years ago, and it's a very big one. And I did about a quarter of it, and then I just burned out on it, and I never got back around to it. And then I bought some of the diamond art card kits for a retreat that I was hosting, and I love the size of them. I loved how small they were, how you're able to finish it really quick and easy, and it really made me fall back in love with the diamond art. So I decided to buy the Advent calendar this year, and so I did the Advent calendar in December, and then now I purchased the card kit. So I was going to do a card today, but this is so cute, and I want him to sit on my desk at work, so I decided to go ahead and do him first, and I'll do a card next month. We'll see how busy this month gets with projects, but I will plan on doing at least one card next month for you. So on Christmas Day, I had bought my mom the card kit and my mom myself the card kit from HSN, from Craft Buddy. And we sat outside in the wonderful weather. We live in Arizona, so the weather was absolutely beautiful. And we put all of our crystals in the case that came with the kit. And oh, it was a lot of work and a lot of fun. So that was how we spent Christmas evening, was putting together our crystals, getting them ready for a project. So I know it was a rough week with medical stuff and just lots of stuff going on. So it was really nice just to decompress and sit and relax. So I sat outside for, a little bit with her and did that, and then came back home and took the weekend to relax and just recharge for the new year. So I am all set for the new year. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I may speed this part up, so I'll go ahead and turn some music on and speed this up so you don't have to sit and listen to me jabber along the whole time. But I'm just going to get my crystals set in the tray here, get as many of them in the right direction. I'm going to pull out my my pen, my electric pen that I have, and I'm going to get going. So I will be back at the end to talk with you again. Okay, we have now finished this adorable stitch. Oh my gosh, that was super easy. Did not take me anywhere near as much time as I thought it would, but he is so stinking cute, and he has this little stand, if I can get my fingers underneath, come on Stitch, where he can sit up on my desk. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for joining me. He is absolutely adorable. I'm going to seal him so that the diamonds don't come off, but I am super excited. Thank you again. This is Amanda the Nerdy Crafter, and I will see you next time.